Guidelines on how to take care of your cleaning tools. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. High-quality cleaning tools can incredibly enhance your cleaning performance, but most of us tend to forget that mops, brooms and sponges need occasional maintenance or replacement. If you don't remember the last time you changed the mop head or used a brand new microfiber cloth, then you'd better pay them the necessary attention. Using dirty, badly maintained cleaning tools means your efforts to keep your place germ and dust-free are a complete waste of time. Here is a brief guide to the right cleaning and maintenance of your cleaning tools. Sponges. You probably have a separate sponge for the different kinds of surfaces as well as a sponge designated for dishwashing. However, the fact that the sponge is constantly soaked into cleaning detergents does not necessarily mean it is germ-free. To sanitize your sponge, you have to moisten it and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to empty the vacuum bag on a regular basis, as this will improve the efficiency of your appliance. After emptying the bag, you should wash it, if possible, or at least wipe it down with a sponge to collect the dust settled on the fabrics. Clean the air filter too. If you haven't changed it in a while and you notice that your vacuum is not performing as well as it used to, maybe it is time for an air filter replacement. Mops and brooms. To disinfect your mop, soak it in a solution of warm water and vinegar. The latter has excellent sanitizing and odor neutralizing properties. If your mop has a removable cotton head, you can simply toss it in the washing machine. As for the broom, make sure you always remove the loose dirt. You can suck the debris stuck in the bristles with a vacuum cleaner. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Microfiber clothes. Microfiber rags are a magnet for dirt and dust, but for best results, you need to use clean, dry clothes and wash them after every usage. Brushes. You must have a bunch of brushes for different purposes, but similar to the above-mentioned tools, they require occasional maintenance. The first thing you have to do is to pick out the debris and hairs caught in the bristles. Then, soak the brushes into a solution of warm water and mild dishwashing liquid. Let them sit for an hour or two, rinse and leave them to dry, preferably exposed to direct sunlight. Spray bottles. You must have a spray bottle where you pour the homemade cleaning solutions. Have you ever thought about the germs it houses? You touch it with dirty hands. Sometimes you don't even take your gloves off. To disinfect the spray bottles, all you need is a rag dampened with rubbing alcohol. It is known to be a germ killer and is quite effective at sanitizing. If you have ever wondered why professional cleaners always achieve fantastic results, now you know that one of the reasons is that they use premium quality tools and, most of all, keep them clean. So if you are determined to achieve the ideal cleanliness at home, start from proper maintenance of your tools. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about the 5 important considerations for cleaning after the flu. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.